Transform your workplace safety protocol in just about 1 hour with our comprehensive and cost-effective aerial lift training kit. Say goodbye to expensive off-site training and welcome the fast, easy, and affordable on-site solution. Our training kit is not just a tool, it's a commitment to safety, ensuring 100% OSHA compliance. Certify all your operators and stay updated with free digital and hard copy materials. Create a secure and productive work environment. Our kit is designed for maintenance and construction workers, covering every aspect of safe aerial lift operations. Enjoy the flexibility of our training kit, offering both guided and self-paced options. Tailor your training sessions to fit your team's unique learning style and business needs. Dive into a range of training materials. From pre-test summaries to hands-on evaluation forms, our kit makes certification straightforward and efficient. Your comprehensive kit includes a 3-ring binder full of course materials, a USB for digital access, unlimited printable certificates, and practical wallet cards for each employee. Experience the Aerial Lift Train the Trainer certification program risk-free. If you're not thrilled, receive a full refund, no questions asked. Don't wait to elevate your safety standards. Try our aerial lift training kit today and ensure your team is proficient, safe, and OSHA compliant.